I'm DJ Di Maliwat, the agency manager of Starbright Financial Advisors, and in this video, I will be sharing with you the vision, mission, ambition, and core values of our team, so that for the incoming advisors, incoming members of the team, you would understand and get to know our team, who we are, and what we stand for. Let's go first with the vision. The vision is financial independence for every Filipino. So if you can see and if you would really read through, it's two-tiered. Number one, for the clients. No? Sa clients natin, our goal is for them to be financially independent, not totally dependent dun lang sa breadwinner, sa income ng breadwinner. You know, when the breadwinner dies, the income dies with them. So, kung fully dependent lang yung family dun sa breadwinner, sa income niya, mahirap yun, no? Parang paano sila magpapatuloy ng lifestyle nila? So, when we sell them life insurance, health insurance, and something happens to the breadwinner, patuloy yung lifestyle, patuloy, may replacement na income. So they are kind of independent, not fully dependent on the income of the breadwinner. And another part of that is also for our advisors, just like you, the members of our team. When you bring people to join our team in Starbright, then we help them grow their income. That's the first step in terms of financial independence. So we want people to add more income so that they can invest, because for us to be financially free, to gain that financial independence, we need to invest our money so that the money works for us. All right? And the first step is increase their income. So being part of Starbright, of AIA, help them grow their income. Let's talk about the mission. In terms of the mission, our mission is we uplift the lives of Filipinos through the insurance business. So we believe that by selling them life insurance, something happens when the breadwinner dies, hindi sila back to zero or hindi sila magkakautang, hindi mababaon sa utang. At least something will be left to the family. So technically, we're uplifting, we're improving the quality of lives of the people. If somebody gets sick, may pera sila na magagamit for their hospitalization. All right? Also, when you bring them to be part of our team, to be part of Starbright, and kumita sila, we help them double their income from, let's say, probably earning 50,000 or 100,000 a month. Kumita rin ng ganun din dito while still doing their own business or their current job. Kumita rin sila ng equal or probably higher here. We uplifted their lives. Nabigyan natin sila ng mas magandang buhay. That's part of the goal, and that's our mission. Mission means what we do every single day. So what we do, we uplift lives of the Filipino people. Our ambition is 1,000 mission-driven millionaires. So for that to happen, we do our vision and mission. So mission-driven, ibig sabihin, ginagawa ng bawat isa. And 1,000 strong, all of us are earning at least $1 million a year. If you're earning millions already in your current job, your current business, well and good, gusto namin kitain mo rin yan dito kasi it's possible. Super possible in the life insurance industry. So that's our commitment. We really want to do our best to help you succeed here. Now let's talk about the core values. So the first core value of Starbright is love for God. We say here that my work is my prayer. We honor God by being the best versions of ourselves. Parang parable of the talents. Naniniwala kami na when you give your best here, right? Since this is a business, this is a profession, di ba? When you use your talents to better other people's lives, whether selling them life insurance or convincing them that this is also a good career or business, then you're using your talent and you're also honoring God when you're helping His people, right? The Filipino people. Next core value is integrity. So with integrity, we believe that, I do what I say I will do. Kung ano yung sinabi mo, kinuwit mo sa clients mo, sa ibang tao, gagawin mo. Pag kinuwit mo sa team that you will be there, then you will be there. We want to take care of our reputation and the trust that our clients give to us. Diba? Hindi birong pera ang i-invest nila to buy a life insurance policy. It's a lifelong commitment din. Diba? So, dapat hindi tayo nagbibigay ng information, false information para lang makabenta. Also being part of Integrity is like starting meetings on time. In Starbright, the basic respect to other people's time is also starting our meetings on time. So when you also meet your clients, ideally you're there on time or before time. All right? So very important yun. When you say you will attend the meeting, you attend the meeting. All right? Or renegotiate if you cannot. But at least with integrity, hindi yung na ghosting. Ghosting should not be a practice here in Starbright. Mag-reply tayo. Let's give respect to one another. Third is passion. Passion meaning, hindi lang tayo nagbebenta, nag-educate din tayo. So you invest in your self-education. That's very important. Mission before commission. We really want to help and fulfill the mission. And yes, commission will follow. Both yan kasama. We educate and guide others toward financial independence. So we love teaching and sharing, hindi lang selling. So that's passion. Right? Next is commitment. Commitment is, ang pinakamasarap na commitment should be parang till death do us part sa client. No, meaning the commitment should be, I will be there for my clients whenever they need me. We are selling retirement. We are selling education ng anak. So sana sa time na yun, when they retire or their kids go to college, nadudun ka pa rin. Diba? Nadun pa rin tayo. If and when your client dies or gets sick, sana nadudun ka to help process the claim. That's commitment. Part of commitment is whatever it takes mindset. Kung ano yung goal mo sa simula, you said you want to be MDRT or part of the $1 Million Round Table. You said you want to be part of the Millionaires Club here, earning at least $1 million a year, the mission-driven millionaires. So be committed to that. All right? Kung ano yung goal mo, commit to that and you will succeed. Kung ano yung sinimulan, tatapusin. Part of commitment is being part of the team, attending our event. So make yourself available in every Starbright meetings or events if possible. Right? Hindi ka nandito para lang, kumbaga, being part of Starbright is part of your responsibility is to also engage with us. So very important yung engagement and commitment sa team. This is a relationship. It's a business relationship with you and us here sa team, mga managers mo, your team members with us. And lastly, productivity. The mindset is, I am a vital part of this team. Each person, just like you and me, is a vital part of our team. You matter here. Right? Bawat isa, every single one matters as part of Starbright. The productivity, we want na multiple policies, multiple save lives every given month. Right? So hindi lang isa, hindi lang kapag end of the month magbebenta. Ideally, you always have that activity. Every single week, meron ka na-save na life. Multiple lives. Meron nakikinig sa payo mo, sa advice mo, every single month. So, active kung pwede ngang laging meron. Bakit? Now, this is also a business. This is a career. This is also a business. Dapat bukas ang tindahan every day. Right? Kung magtatayo ka ng negosyo or may negosyo ka, papayag ka ba na sarado ka every other day? Hindi. Dapat everyday bukas ang negosyo, lalo na kung nag-invest ka dyan. So, ganun din dito sa Starbright. Alright? So, that's our vision, mission, ambition, and core values. So, just to summarize it, our vision is financial independence for every Filipino. Our mission, we uplift the lives of Filipinos through the insurance business. Our ambition, 1,000 mission-driven millionaires. And our core values, love for God, integrity, passion, commitment, productivity. In our meetings, we recite this. So kabisaduhin mo to by heart, not just in your mind, but by heart. And then, sumisigaw yan, no? Starbright, who is a mission-driven millionaire? Merong mag-chant. And then tayo ang sagot natin, ako, ako, ako. Right? Sharing your commitment, sharing your unison, being in unison sa team natin. Because again, you are part of the team. That's our battle cry. That's who we are and what we stand for. So I hope that that's also what you will stand for and you will be part of our vision and our mission to help more people achieve their financial goals and